Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shipma News. Here I am reading only newspaper article. This is our today article. State to conduct civil defense drill today. SDR personal trains at Dal Lake in Srinagar ahead of Wednesday drill. 244 district in categories 1, 2 and 3 identify for conduct of exercise in wake of hostile situation. State asked to add area with vital installation to vulnerable list based on their assessment. After the drill, security gaps identified will be plugged accordingly, say senior government official Vijeta Singh, New Delhi. Various states prepared on Tuesday for drill to test civil defense preparedness that began on Wednesday. The Union Home Ministry had ordered the drills in the aftermath of the April 22 Pahalgam terror attack, in which 26 civilians were killed. Union Home Secretary Govind Govind Mohan on Tuesday reviewed the preparations done by the state in the wake of a hostile situation. While the Director General Civil Defense has identified 244 districts in categories 1, 2, and 3 for the conduct of drills up to the village level based on an assessment done in 2005 and 2010, the state have been asked to add to the vulnerable area list based on their own assessment. An area is designated a civil defense district if there are vital installations such as a refinery, nuclear plant, or cantonment in its geographical limits. The state have been asked to submit a report to the Home Ministry after the drills are completed, and the identified security gaps will be plugged accordingly. A senior government official said, "We are not micromanaging the drill. State have been given a format to conduct the drill based on the availability of resources and mapping of vulnerable area. The district magistrates may decide the venue and time," the officials said. Pak violates truce. Meanwhile, the Pakistan army continued to violate the ceasefire along the line of control for the 12th consecutive night. The Indian army responded in a proportionate manner to unprovoked small arms in Kupwara, Baramulla, Punch, Rajouri, Mendur, Nasura, Sunderbani, and Akhnoor district of Jammu and Kashmir. A statement said the drill will test the efficiency of the operationalization of air raid warning signs, crash blackouts, major conflicting vital installation, evacuation plans, establishing hostile with the Indian Air Force, activating control room, firefighting and warden service, and undertaking cleaning of bunkers and trenches, among other. The Anantnag police in South Kashmir issued a public advice that a mock drill will be conducted at 4 p.m. on Wednesday by the State Disaster Response Force (SDRF). As part of the drill, sirens will be activated at various located in Kashmir. This is a practice exercise to test our emergency response system, the police said. Mock drills in Delhi. In Delhi, the mock exercise will be conducted at the 55 location from 4 6 p.m. The location include residential building, government offices, markets, and colleges. The Delhi police beefed up security in the national capital ahead of the scheduled mock drill, with increased number of officials being deployed at tourist spots such as Connaught Place, India Gate, Janpat, Gol Market, Jama Masjid, Red Fort. The South Central Railway said volunteer instructor and associate personnel would simulate a hostile attack scenario to evacuate emergency preparedness and interagency coordination at Kach, Kuda, Hyderabad Division, Raichur, Guntakal Division, and Aurangabad Nanded Division on May 7. In Maharashtra, the drill will be conducted at more than a dozen locations, including Mumbai at 4 p.m. Uttar Pradesh Director General of Police Prashant Kumar said mock exercise will be done in all the 75 districts. This is our daily English session practice. K. Subramaniam as Upener. Did you match the movie last night? Did you watch the movie last night? Yes, I did. It was off the wall. Was not it off the wall? What does it mean? Off the wall is a slang expression. It means odd, unusual. For example, my boss sense of humor is really off the wall, meaning He has crazy sense of humor. Yes, that's right. His sense of humor is unconventional. Can I say some of the books that I have read are strange? They are really off the wall. You cannot, but why not? Because you don't read books. Haha, very funny. Here are the another example. Many people believe that some of our politicians ideas are off the wall. When you have crazy people, you should expect crazy idea. That's true. So are you feeling better today? I am feeling great after a good night sleep. I feel sensitive, restive. What are you impatient about? Impatient, but makes you think I am impatient? That's one of the meaning of the word restive. You see, when you say you feel restive, it means you are impatient or disobedient because you are bored or because you are not satisfied with the way something is being done. For example, after several months at sea, the sailor become very sensitive. Can I say the principal's speech made the student restive? Of course, you can. Here are another example. The recent of the lions made the zebras restive. What a good example. Okay, so after a good night's sleep, I should feel rested and not rested. I am right, absolutely. Have you ever felt restive in your life? Me, I don't think I have never felt restive in my life. You can't say that. Of course I can't. I should know if I have felt restive or that's not what I am talking about. You cannot say I don't think I have never felt restive. You either say I don't think I have ever felt restive or I have never felt restive. Yes, I remember now. I cannot to use two negative in the same sentence. It is not that the true. That's right. So I should either say I have never played tennis in my life or I don't think I have ever played tennis in my life. I am right, but you have played tennis. Remember the time you almost beat Sampras at the French Open? That's was one of your crazy dreams. Your dreams are just like you, like me. What do you mean? They are really off the wall. Haha. Published in the Hindu on May 2897. This is our daily quiz. The 2025 Met Gala took place on Monday, May 5. Here are the quiz on the event. Sindhu Nagaraj made this quiz. First question. Let's start with an essay, easy one. What are the gala called before? Question number 2. The event is held for the benefit of which museum institute? Question number 3. The event is organized by which fashion magazine? Question number 4. Who established the Met Gala? In which year was established? Question number. This means the creation of exclusive custom fit is high and fashion designate name the term. Question number 6. In Gala 2025, which Bollywood superstar made a debate? Visual question. Identify the person who is the editor in chief of a fashion magazine. Answer to question 3 and is the co-chair of the event. Question answer to the previous day quiz. Name the cryptographer system wide used today that secure the data by using a pair of key. Answer public key or asymmetric cryptographer. Name the concept of cryptographer that generate new keys based on existing ones and uses them to unlock data. Perfect forward secrecy. The algorithm is a famous public key crypto system published in 1977. RSA took like QR code can be used to prevent a type of encryption attack called dash man in the middle. Dash cryptographer refer to algorithm like crystals cable designated to be secure against the attack from advanced device. Many scientists are working on today post quantum. Wizard question. Name this man. Klaus Schneemann. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.